Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in our last video we talked about how to make use of paths. And in today's video we're going to be talking about operating system and how to use the operating system. And what the operating system does is that it shows you the details about the device you are using. So to make use of the operating system, you need to import the operating system module. So to import it, you need to type, so I will be using OS as the default const and OS, so that is the short, that is the the way of importing the module. So you need to use OS, and for you to use the method on the OS, you need to type os dot so continued by the method attached to it. So the free mem, what the free mem does is that it prints out the free memory in your device. So to do that, let me console it out. So console dot log os dot free mem and invoke it. So save. Now let me run it using the node module, and to do that, okay, so node os, and this is the free memory on my device right now, and this free memory is converted into bytes. So the free memory is converted into bytes. And that is how you get the free memory on your device using the OS module, the operating system module. So let me comment this out. And the next method attached to the operating system module is the total memory, and to get that, so that is the total memory module, total memory. So let me print it out again. So console log os dot total mem, work again, and to do that, let me run it again. So why is it taking so long? Okay, so it calculates the total memory, and this is the total memory of my operating system. And the next one we'll be having is the home directory. This method belongs to the operating system, but some might think it's for the paths module. It's for the operating system, and that is the home directory. And that is the home directory. So let me print out the home directory and see what is that. os dot home directory, and print it out. And as you can see now, my home directory is c/user/syntactic devs, and that is my current home directory, and that is what the method does. And the next one is the host name. So let me print the host name out. Operating systems dot host name, and that is the host name. So the host name is like when you are installing your system, and installing your system from the start, and you can see it asks for the username and password. The name you set during the installing your system for a new operating system, maybe you are installing a new window, the name you set at the period of installation is your host name. So this is my host name, and the next one is the network interface. The network interface. So let me print the network interface out. Got network interface, and let me console log it out. And as you can see now, this is the network interface right here, and this is the local area connection, and this is my address, and this is the MAC address, and so many other things I cannot explain, but these are what the operating system shows on the network interface. And the next part we'll be looking at is the platform, and that is the platform for the operating system. And let me console it out. Operating system, so platform, and let me print it out. And as you can see, it says Win32. I don't know the reason why it says Win32, but according to the video I'm running on Windows 64, and I don't know how this OS platform works. So this is what it prints out. So it preprints maybe Windows 64 on your system. Let me know in the comment below. And the next part is the let's say type, the operating system type. So this will show you the operating system type, the type of operating system you are running on. And for mine, let me console it out. Operating system type, and run it, and see I'm running on Windows NT. And if you are running on Mac, so it will show maybe Mac, and on others operating system, and that is for the window type. And the next one is the temporal directory. So temporal directory, sorry, so let me comment this out. And so this is where all your temporal file goes during your making use of your system. So the file that is used temporarily, not permanently, will be moved to the temporary folder. So let me console it out, and you can see the here now. It says user/syntactic1 app data local and temp, and that is the temporary folder. So this is the folder where your temporal file moves to when it's no longer in use. And the next part is the uptime, and this is the period of time your operating system has been on. So maybe you on your system around 2 a.m. in the morning, and when you check it, you see, but these minutes are shown in seconds. They are shown in seconds. So let me, so the uptime, so that is for the uptime. So let me log it out. Operating system uptime, and as you can see here now, this is the period of time my system has been on, my operating system, and this is calculated in seconds. And to do that, you have to divide it by seconds, and that is 60 divided by this minutes. So that will give you the accurate period of time your operating system has been on. Sorry. And the next part is the version, and this is the last one I will be doing for the operating system and the version. And maybe this what this method does is that it prints out the version of your operating system. Maybe you are running on Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and that is what the version the method does. And let me print out the version of my operating system and OS. As you can see, I'm running on Windows 10 Pro, and that is my current version I'm running on. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and also share this video so that other people can benefit from it. See you in my next video.